If you're selling on Amazon and you want more reviews for your products, come check out this video. I'm going to show you how to get free reviews for your listing to boost your rankings and your review count on Amazon. Let's get started. So once you've gone to sellercentral.amazon.com, go ahead and log in. Once you log in, click on the Orders tab, drop down for Manage Orders. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the product name that you want reviews for. So in this case, in this seller account, the customer sells keto pills. And I'm going to search that right now. Go ahead and choose the drop down that's called Order Date Descending. The reason is because Amazon allows you to leave reviews, have your customers post reviews 5 to 30 days once the order has been delivered. So I'm going to go down the list here. As you see, that's 6 days. I'm going to go to, let's say, 2 weeks to be on the safe side. I'm going to click this order number that you have in front of you. There's an option on the top right that's called Request a Review. And to request a review, what's going to happen basically is the customer who purchased this very product is going to receive an email from Amazon seeing if they want to leave a review for the product. This review will go on the actual ASIN of the product. So it's great because it helps get more reviews. Also, it's just going to increase your stars with Amazon. So go ahead and click yes. You are sure you want to request a review for this order. Once a review will be requested for this order, it will be on the product page. So once the buyer leaves a review, you will see that on the ASIN. It's as simple as that. Also, I've been asked in the past if they should have done this manually or if they should pay a program to do this automatically. My preference is if you do this manually. Just from experience, we think that emails will go out on time. Also, I don't know if Amazon likes the whole machine learning thing. So as a trade secret from our industry, do this manually. Maybe do it every 2 to 3 days. Also do it by category of the title of the product. I wouldn't necessarily pay $99 for an automated system to send out reviews. As a business owner myself, I'm really good about quality control. So I'm really particular about what my customers see and if they see it at all. And if I designate someone to do this, I'm sure it'll be done more properly than a machine learning. So this is our tip to you to get more reviews for your product. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to this channel for future content, and we look forward to helping you in the future.